Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's class is going to be very interesting. Why? Because we are going to learn how to find out the square root of a non-perfect square number. So students are very familiar to find out the square root of a perfect square number, but they have a problems to find out the square root of a non-perfect square number. Since here I have taken one examples of square root of 19. So 19 is a non-perfect square number. So in that case, how to find out the how to find out the square root? There is one trick. Trick is that so you have to find out the nearest perfect square numbers of 19. Nearest perfect square of 19, that is 16, right? Now how will find it? So square root of 16, what is the square root of 16? Square root of 16 is, that will give you 4, right? 4 4 is 16, so write 4 here. Then plus, take the difference of these two numbers, take the difference. So 19 minus 16, that will give you 3. All right, now here in that numbers you have to multiply by 2. So if we multiply by 2, 4 into 2, that will give you 8. So if you simplify this one, you will get 4.375. So this is the answer of square root of 19. Now let us check another example. Suppose 85. 85 is a non-perfect square number. This is a non-perfect square number, so we are going to find out the square root. This is the first case, this is the second case, right? So a similar rule I'm going to apply. So you have to find out the number that is perfect square number nearest to 85. That will be 81, right? That will be 81. Now if we find the square root of 81, that will give you 9. So you have to write directly 9 here. Then plus sign, take the difference. 85 minus 81, that will give you 4, right? 4. Now here, same thing. Here you have to multiply by 2. That is 9 into 2, that will give you 18. You have to write in the denominator. So if you simplify this one, you will get 9.22 approximate. So this is the answer of square root of 85. So in that way, you can easily find out the square root of a non-perfect square numbers. So students have to know both. You have to learn both the system, how to find out the square root of a perfect square number, also how to find out the square root of a non-perfect square. So by these techniques, easily you can find out the square root of a non-perfect square numbers. I hope it's clear to everyone. Still, if you have any doubt, you'll feel free to write in the comment box. I'll be there to help you. Thank you for watching.